prayed for a very long time for some love to come on ya, but all I can see is just pain and misery. Pain and misery. When I turn on my radio, when I'm watching my TV, it's all in the news. World leaders getting confused just because love they didn't choose. Now let your love come true. That's the only thing that will do. Let your love come true. Your love come true. Most people, they want to live in peace, but a small majority who are the leaders, they don't want to see it. They just want the war increase. Hey, hey, hey. Now the people, they are fed up, and the world is in a mix-up, just because no love they can't find. They've left it behind. Just let your love come true. That's the only thing that will do. Let your love come true. Let your love come true. Yeah. No matter how we try and wars we fight, still can't find no solution. War all over the world, rumors of war. Just let your love come true. Let your love come true. That's the only thing that will do. Hey, just let your love come true. 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 Just let your love come true. Let your love come true. That's the only thing that will do. Let your love come true. Away with the color thing. Black man, white man, Chinese. Gotta be living together in one love and one identity. Yeah, yeah. Let your love come true. Let your love come true. Yeah, let your love come true. Hey, make everyone feel alright. Hey, you don't know. So, love is the answer. Love is the answer. Love is the answer. Only love it can do. Love is the answer. Love is the answer. Love is the answer. Yeah. Too much fuss and too much fight, that's not right. Too much fuss, too much fight, that's not right. No. Come together, let's all unite. Whether you're Muslim or a Christian. Tell me don't watch that at all. If a Jew, still come true. You know, Chinese man, come true. Black man come true. White man come true. And Indian man them come true. Yes, just let your love come true. Just let your love come true. That's the only thing that will do.